Hey guys, Dave from DE Services, Dave's Wholesale Cabinets. And today, real quick, I'm just going to tell you about this wireless switch for a light. I'm going to install this in somebody's house from the early 1900s. It's going to be a much less expensive option than having somebody wire a switch, an actual hardwired switch. This is about a $25 switch, and basically this part here goes into the light fixture. This end gets installed to the black and white wires in the ceiling. This one gets installed to the actual fixture, and you pair it. It's wireless, so it's Bluetooth. This is the switch that gets mounted on the wall with the back plate, and basically it has a replaceable battery, so if you open this up, you have the battery. You can replace this at any time when it goes dead, and it's very simple. It's push on, push off, and it's going to save the customer a lot of money. So I'll let you know if I have any issues with this. And this is the switch, that's the SKU, and this is the brand with some of the features. It works to about 100 feet away, and there's some specifications. If you have any questions on this, let me know, and I'll try to answer them. Thanks.